Numerator is smaller than denominator.
Numerator is smaller than denominator. Are you getting? Fraction
Yes.
means what? Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. જે વસ્તુમાં upon આવે, that is what known as? That is what known as what?
Fraction.
Fraction, right? As I gave you example, 20 marks of class test, you scored 18 marks. So 18 upon 20 is what? Is what? Fraction. So out of 20, 20 was total. Out of 20, 18 is liable. We can understand. 18 mark આવી શકે. Are you getting? So that fraction is known as?
Proper fraction.
Numerator is smaller than denominator. Denominator will be always greater. Understood? समझाई छे girls?
Yes.
Same way, second point is what?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. What do you mean by improper fraction, girls?
Numerator is greater than denominator.
Numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Got it? That means, can we say that 22 upon 20? કોઈ 20 marks ની test માંથી 22 marks આવે?
No, sir.
No, it is not proper, I think so. Something is wrong. Yes or no? So this is said to be improper fraction. Understood? Yesterday only I told you that एक पिज्जा में 8 भाग છે, એમાં કોઈ દિવસ 9 ભાગ કહો કેમ કે મેં 9 પીસ ખાધા, કોઈ દિવસ ગળે ઉતરે વાત?
No.
पिज्जा ना बॉक्स में ऑलरेडी 8 पीसीस છે, જ્યારે તમે બોક્સ ઓપન કરો છો ત્યારે તો કોઈ એમ કહે કે મને તો 9 પીસ આવ્યા, મેં 9 ખાધા, તો કોઈ વસ્તુમાં ગળે ઉતરે વાત?
No.
So that is known as improper fraction. When numerator is greater, જો આમાં numerator greater છે and denominator is smaller. Numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. That means it is said to be improper fraction. Got it, girls?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Next is mixed fraction. What do you mean by mixed fraction?
A whole number and then fraction.
Very good. One whole number which will be said to be integer, numerator upon denominator. Any doubt here? Whole number is said to be integer, numerator and denominator. If you, as I gave you example yesterday, 2 marks of questions, out of 2 marks of question, you scored 1.5 mark. This is said to be what? 1 full mark and બીજા 1 mark નો અડધો mark. Are you getting? I'm sorry. 1.5 mark. It is said to be 1.5 mark. 1 integer, 1 upon 2. Is that clear, girls? 5 marks no question હોય એમાંથી તમને સ્કોર થયો 3.5 means what? 3 complete mark મળેલા છે and પછી એક અડધો mark મળેલો છે. That means the total is what? 3.5 mark. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે, girls?
Yes.
Now, main important thing is whenever we are having mixed fraction, after whole number means after integer, there will be a proper fraction. જોજો તમે બધામાં ન્યુમરેટર નાનો હશે. whatever it may be, x y z ગમે તે મિક્સ ફ્રેક્શન હોય ને કોઈ પણ રીતે, that will be a proper fraction after integer. આટલું મગજમાં રાખવાનું. આ કોઈ એક્ઝામમાં કે એ રીતે નથી પૂછવાનું કે આફ્ટર integer, what will be the fraction. No, nothing like that. This is for your quiet understanding. This is for only your proper knowledge regarding fraction. Okay? After integer, you will be always find a proper fraction. Is that clear? Girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, our main content is conversion. Conversion માં proper fraction ને કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી, because proper word itself shows that it is proper, nothing to change on it. Are you getting, girls? Only the changes are required to improper fraction and mixed fraction. Conversion, a word conversion is going to work. Conversion is going to work from mixed fraction. It will be converted to which fraction? Improper. And if it is improper, it will be converted to which form? Girls, it will be converted to which form? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, Rabia. Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
This mixed fraction, for example, if I say 3 integer 2 upon 7, chalo. The mixed fraction is given here. How to convert this? આ એક બેઝ તમને કીધું કે મિક્સ્ડ ફ્રેક્શન કેવા છે, મિક્સ્ડ ફ્રેક્શન ટુ કન્વર્ટ અ સિમ્પલ ફ્રેક્શન. સિમ્પલ ફ્રેક્શન મીન્સ વોટ? અપોન માં આવે ન્યુમરેટર અપોન ડિનોમિનેટર. ધીસ ઇઝ સેડ ટુ બી સિમ્પલ ફ્રેક્શન. અપોન માં આવે. Fraction is what? Upon. Are you getting? Proper, improper, it's a type of fraction, but fraction means what? Upon maave, numerator upon denominator. Yes or no?
What, sir?
Yes.
Only
Yes,
what, sir?
sir.
Sir. Nonsense.
Sorry, sir.
Fraction is always denoted as numerator upon denominator. A fraction no
Yes,
topic
sir.
પતવા આવ્યો ને હવે કઈ છે શું sir? Fraction means what? It is denoted as numerator upon denominator. તો mixed fraction છે એ always convert થશે simple fraction માં. કેવા છે તો fraction માં conversion જ છે. But it can never be a proper fraction. It will be always converted to which fraction?
Improper.
To which fraction?
Improper.
Improper fraction. And that improper fraction will be always converted to what?
Mixed fraction.
Is that clear, girls? Proper fraction is already proper. That is
Yes.
nothing to do with this conversion. Conversion ને proper fraction ને કાંઈ લેવા દેવા નથી. Convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. Simple fraction means what? Fraction form જ કહેવાય. Simple જ કહેવાય. But it will be always converted to improper fraction. Let us check. Now, how to convert this mixed fraction to simple fraction. Sir, example so for 3 integer. We'll have a simple here. 3 integer 1 upon 2. Chalo. This is mixed fraction. Our question is to convert this into fraction form. Okay. So what we have to do? Denominator, which is 2, will be multiplied with integer. Integer શું છે? 3. Are you getting? સમજાય છે girls? Then
Yes.
from here it will be added to numerator. That is 1. And upon denominator will be as it is. Any doubt with this step?
No.
Again, denominator will be multiplied with integer, that is 3 here. Then it will be added to numerator, that is 1 upon whatever it is denominator, that will be as it is. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. આજે એક જ છે, રાબિયા છે ક્લાસમાં, બીજું કોઈ ગર્લ્સ નથી. ઓનલી રાબિયા ઇઝ આન્સરિંગ. બચ્ચા બીજું કોઈ પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી. રાબિયા
છે ને.
તો બધી ઊંઘમાં લાગે છે કે કંટાળી ગઈ છે ત્રણેય લેક્ચર થી. જો ન ભણવું હોય તો ના પાડી દો, તો વી વિલ નોટ વેસ્ટ અવર ટાઈમ. આ કઈ યુઝ નથી. તમને ન સમજવું હોય ને ન સમજવાનો મૂડ હોય તો આ કઈ ભણાવીને કોઈ મતલબ નથી. There are almost 12 girls. I can check here, 12 to 13 girls present in the class right now. And I can find only Rabia is attentively answering for all the questions what I am asking. What about other girls? Where is Modesa, Ilma, Aisha, Dolia, Sifa? Are you all present or shall I stop here only? આ કોઈ મતલબ નથી ભણાવીને, કોઈ મતલબ નથી. It is for me also it is useless. હા સર શું કરે છે? સંભળાતું નથી? મારો અવાજ નથી આવતો તમને લોકોને? કે તમે તમારું કામ કરો છો, સરનો અવાજ આવ્યો તો વચ્ચે આવીને અનમ્યુટ કરીને હા સર પૂછી લેવાનું. Shall we stop here? તો ન મૂડ હોય તો કાલે ભણશું. કોઈ એવું ફોર્સ નથી કે અત્યારે ભણી જ લેવું ભાઈ. મને કોઈ છોકરાઓને ખબર ન પડતી હોય ને ન સમજવા માંગતા હોય તો મને ભણાવીને કોઈ મતલબ નથી અત્યારે. If you are 100% interested, if you want to answer me back, then only I will teach you in the class. ત્રણ લેક્ચર બહુ હેક્ટિક થઈ ગયા છે. ગર્લ્સ આન્સર મી પ્રોપરલી. બહુ હેક્ટિક થઈ ગયા છે કે મેથ્સમાં નથી મજા આવતી અત્યારે?
Yes, sir.
Again, Rabia only answering. Rabia, yes, શું કહેવા માંગે છે? નથી મજા આવતી અત્યારે? Rabia,
Yes, sir.
you all are tired right now? You all are tired?
Yes.
No,
You
sir.
don't want to study mathematics right now?
No, sir. We have to study mathematics.
Then I am asking you, I am shouting like anything, nobody is replying, only Rabia is attempting all the answers. What is the use of being active in the class? If you don't want to rebuttal the things, what is sir or teacher is asking, standing here in front of you on the screen, shouting like anything, and you all are not answering. Just think of it, how do I feel? What will be the thing I was be thinking from my end? કે તમને લોકોને નહીં સમજાતું હોય, તમે આગળના લેક્ચરમાં થાકી ગયા હશો, તમને મેથ્સનો ભણવાનો મૂડ નહીં હોય. મારા મગજમાં તો કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ક્રિએટ થયા અત્યારે. So you only decide by your own. I am putting off my screen right now. Board હું બંધ કરું છું. You all decide by your own whether you all want to continue. No need of chatting the things on the inbox. Girls, stop doing all that nonsense activity for mathematics. Stop chatting. You all decide and let me know. I am online with you. Recording also is going on. તમે લોકો મને કહેશો કે sir, we are ready to learn. At that time we will start. If you do not want to continue this lecture, then also it's okay. You are free to get relaxed time up till 11 o'clock. Don't worry. I am putting off my screen right here. You all decide by your
No,
own.
sir.
હવે અંદર તમે decide કરી લ્યો કે તમને ભણવું છે કે નથી ભણવું. Let me know. I am giving you time for few minutes to decide by your own.
We are ready, sir.
Again, only Rabia.
We are ready,
Sir,
sir.
we are ready. We have to
We are
study.
ready.
We are ready.
Ready.
We are ready, sir.
Sir, we are ready.
We are ready, sir.
Sir, we are ready.
ડબલ થાય હો એટલા બધા તો જેટલું એટલા હોય
If you are ready, then tell me about the things what I wrote on the board. Who will tell me? I want one new girl to answer me except Rabia.
We are ready.
is a 6 and 1 plus 2
What is written on the board? Who will answer me? Except Rabia right now. Because I don't want her only to speak every time.
Yes, sir. Integer 1 upon 2 is equal to
Okay.
2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 by 2.
So what? What does it mean?
We have to
We are doing what exactly? આપણે કરીએ છે શું? ઈ તો સરે મોટા હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ માં લખેલું છે એટલે તમને વચ્ચે તો કરી જ છે. But what we are doing exactly at this point of... Yes, Fatima, Amiri Fatima, बोलतो बेटा. Fraction what? What we are doing but? Rabia, what we are doing beta?
conversion
Conversion, very good. We are converting this mixed fraction to simple fraction form. This mixed fraction, આ કયું fraction આપેલું છે?
mixed fraction.
We are converting this mixed fraction to simple fraction form. That means denominator, which is 2, will be multiplied with 3 and added to 1 upon 2, which means 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 2. 7 upon 2 is our answer. So therefore, 3 integer 1 upon 2, which gives us 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. We can say that this is a simple fraction form, but can I say that this is an improper fraction?
Yes,
કે
sir.
proper
It is
fraction કહેવાય?
an improper fraction.
Very good. It is improper fraction. Sir, આમાં મને ડાઉટ છે, તમને લોકોને નહીં હોય પણ હું તમારા વતી મને જ પૂછું છું કે why we have to multiply this first and then we have to add this? Why don't we add this first? 2 into 3 plus 1, 4 upon 2. Why don't we get 2 upon 8 upon 2? Why don't we get 4 as our answer? Can anyone tell me why? Anybody from the class?
કેમ કે આમાં મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન પહેલા કરવાનું પછી પ્લસ કરવાનું.
Very good. According to what? Board mass rule. Don't ever forget to follow this. When we have multiple signs, જેમ કે plus, minus, divide, multiplication, if it is all together in one single sequence, at that time we have to follow this rule. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? In this, multiplication is always ahead than addition. So multiplication we have to do first before addition. So we have to multiply this first. With that answer, we have to add the next digit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Okay. So next digit I will give you 4 integer 2 upon 7. Chalo. 4 integer 2 upon 7. You all tell me what will be the step that I have to follow. Who will tell me first?
Can I
want only one girl.
Rajani?
Yes, Mahadesa Rajani. Go ahead.
4 multiplied by 2 plus 7
Wrong.
on 7.
Wrong.
એમાં જો આમ જ કર્યો છે જો આ 3 1 2 2 એમ કર્યું છે ને પણ એમાં ખાલી આમાં 1 પ્લસ કરવાનું.
Put off your mic, Dodani. Dodani, put off your mic and talk to your mom. Are you getting my voice to your end? Dodani, please put off your mic. Who is the girl that will answer me? I will write the steps what she will say to me. Mojasa Rajani step was wrong.
Can I, Rabia?
Yes, Rabia, go ahead.
7 into 4 plus 2.
7 into 4 plus 2. Sorry. 2. Then?
Upon 7.
Upon 7.
Upon 7. Very good. Then what will be the next step?
30 upon 7.
First step is 7 fours are
28.
28 plus 2 upon 7. So your last step will be 30 upon 7. Now conclusion what you have to write is like this. 4 integer 2 upon 7 gives us 30 upon 7. Now check out every answer when you convert your mixed fraction. KY fraction form ma convert kru, but which fraction you are converting exactly?
Improper.
Improper fraction. Have you all understood the content?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming back to improper fraction. चलो आ तो થઈ ગયું તમને આવડી ગયું mixed fraction to be converted into fraction form. Now what if I say 9 upon 5? चलो. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Can you see here?
Yes.
Again, I am coming back to the main point. Proper fraction ne conversion ma koi leva deva nathi. Proper itself is a proper. Proper naam જ proper છે. That means it has to do nothing with this conversion. Okay? So now which fraction is this? What type of a fraction is this? આ કયું fraction છે? Nobody from the class. Very nice. What type of a fraction is this? Improper. તો આટલી બધી વાર કેમ લાગે છે? So this has to be converted into mixed fraction. So કેવી રીતે કરશું? Simple division તો આટલા વર્ષથી ભણતા હતા ને તમે? 9 has to divide by what? 5. 9 has to divide by 5.
Yes.
So 5 ones are 5. What is remainder?
4.
4. This 1 is said to be what? Quotient or quotient. You can pronounce any of it. Quotient or quotient. Both are correct. Okay? Then 4 is what? This is said to be remainder. And this is said to be divider. What is said to be? समझाणु क्या ना समझाणु girls?
Yes.
ऐसा
So
समझा.
now how to convert this? How to convert this into one is what? Quotient. Quotient is fully Q is equal to R. Sorry, is equal to Q integer R upon D. That means Q is what? Complete 1, which will be coming back to remainder, which will be 4. And whatever we did as a division will be 5. So what is our final answer here? 1 integer 4 upon 5. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
समझाई છે cycle આખી cycle સમજાણી? Coming back to the quotient, to remainder upon divider. q as an integer. Q means one complete thing. 5 to change one complete thing. Okay, one complete thing. Whatever it is, remainder will be numerator and the divider will be denominator. Now, can you come again back to our topic that whatever you see a mixed fraction, after complete number, there will be always a proper fraction. Can you see 4 upon 5?
Yes.
Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next is 7 upon 2. Now, who will tell me? I will follow that answer. 7 upon 2.
Probably.
Come on, girls. What we have to do here? We have to convert this. Convert કેમાં થશે? તો કે mixed fraction માં થશે. આનો કઈ proper તો થશે નહીં. And proper is not here, it is improper. It has to be converted to mixed fraction. So what we have to follow?
Division.
7 will be
7
divided by 2.
2.
Now
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6. 1 will be remainder. So what is our answer? 3 is complete. 3 integer. 1 upon 2. 3 integer. 1 upon 2. Arrow follow કરવાનો. પેલા ક્યાંથી આવવાનું? 3 integer. 1 upon 2. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
Is that all clear?
Yes.
Chalo. This was about conversion. Now, what are the kind of a fraction? Can anyone tell me what are the kinds of a fraction? There are 3 types of fraction. What are the types of fraction we studied? What are 3 types of fractions we studied?
Proper, improper, and mixed.
Very good. Proper, improper, and mixed fraction. Now, kind of a fraction is what? Like fraction and unlike fraction. Can anybody describe me about
બહુ બ્લડ દેખાય છે.
blur દેખાય છે?
બ્લડ
What about
દેખાય
other
છે
girls?
બહુ.
Are you all getting my board clear to you all, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
તો બેટા તારા એકનું ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્શન ચેક કરો બેટા. એકને પ્રોબ્લેમ ન હોય, પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો બધાને પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય. સર કે ટીચર સાઈડથી પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો બધાને પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય. If everyone is getting clear, then it will be your problem.
Clear દેખાય છે.
So like fraction and unlike fraction. Rabia, can you try beta? Rabia,
Yes, sir.
can you try about these 2 topics? No force,
Sorry,
no
but
થાય
I
તો કાઈ
don't
વાંધો નહીં.
remember.
હા, wrong હોય તો વાંધો નહીં, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી બેટા. એમાં કઈ આપણી કઈ મોટી એક્ઝામ નથી. Don't get fear of anything. Now main point is you already studied this in 6th standard. આ કઈ નવો ટોપિક નથી આપણી માટે. Like fraction means what? If I say 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9, can I see here all the denominators are same? Denominators of all the fractions are same. Can I see here?
Yes.
2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when whatever number of fractions are given, 2 આપ્યા છે, 4 આપ્યા છે, 8 આપ્યા, 10 આપ્યા, 12 આપ્યા, we don't care. We have to check the denominators. If the denominators are same, that all fractions will known as proper fraction or improper or whatever it may be. When the denominators are same, we can say that all fractions are
Like fraction.
Like fraction. If I say 2 upon 7, 3 upon 10, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 11, 8 upon 15. So can you see here all the denominators are different? राबिया माइक म्यूट करता बेटा डिस्टर्ब था इस माइक राबिया
Sorry, sir.
7 10 6 11 15 all the denominators are different here. Same છે કે different છે?
Different.
Different. When the denominators of all the fractions given are different, that all fractions are known as
જે
Unlike.
ડિનોમિનેટર અલગ હોય એને અનલાઇક ફ્રેક્શન કહેવાય.
very good. When all the denominators of all the fractions are same, we can say that bunch of fractions are known as like fractions. શું કહેવાય એને? Like fractions.
Like.
When whatever number of fractions are given, when all the denominators we see it is different, that all bunch of fractions are known as which fraction
Unlike.
beta? Unlike fraction. Do you have any doubt with these two kinds of a fraction?
No.
Okay. Now main point to express this topic, this is not in your textbook for 7th standard. This was done in 6th standard. Why to explain this again is because we have to follow addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Are you getting? આપણે શું ફોલો કરવાનું છે આમાં? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of what?
Integer. Sorry, fraction.
हाँ, integer क्या ले आई थी?
Sorry.
We have to add, subtract and multiply with division. We have to follow for the fraction. For that, this is to be understood and this has to be known how to work for this. When it is like fraction, we can easily add, subtract, multiply, divide, whatever we want to do, we can easily do. But when we have unlike fractions, at that time, we have to convert that into like fractions. Understood? Like fractions મળ્યા વગર આપણે add, subtract કરી શકીએ નહીં.
No.
સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી? If I say that 2 upon 9, I am taking these two fractions, plus 5 upon 9. If you have common denominators, then only you can add this with common things. 2 plus 5, you will get 7 upon 9. But you cannot add directly to 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 10. This has to be converted first to like fraction. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े છે કે નથી પડતી?
Ah, sir.
I will continue with this topic again in our next lecture. આ એક topic અહીંયા સુધી રાખ્યા છે આપણે. This has to be described and I have to deeply explain you how to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions so that it will be very much easy for adding, subtracting and multiplying and dividing the fractions, and your whole topic will be covered with this explanation. Is that clear?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt? Do you have any doubt up till what I taught you in the class right here?
No, sir.
So
No,
your
sir.
homework is to open your textbook. If you don't have textbook, open your PDF in your electronic device, laptop, phone, whatever you are using. Read thoroughly to the topic what we have studied in the class. Any બહારનું તો કાંઈ હશે જ નહીં, but you go through all the content, you will be facing very much easy. Whatever I explained, તમને જાતે જ આવડી જશે. અને એની બહારનું કાંઈ હશે પણ નહીં. That's my promise. That's my verdict. Is that clear, girls? Refer it once.
Yes,
We
sir.
will continue with the same topic again in the class in our next lecture. Chalo, enjoy your day. Take care of
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Take care of your health very well, and take care of your family also. Okay.
Okay,
Have a
bye,
nice
sir.
time, girls.
Okay, sir.
Khuda Hafiz. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir.